Good morning. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how Grammarly can help you with your Ontario Secondary School Literacy Test. During your test, you're going to be marked on things called conventions. This is your grammar, and it's going to look at your spelling, punctuation, and other grammar rules. To help you with this, we're going to use an app called Grammarly. So this is Grammarly, and it's going to help you eliminate your errors by highlighting for you, giving you some meaning and clarity, and it's going to help you become a better writer. So first we need to sign up for Grammarly. So we can go to sign up, and you can use your school email for this. And if you're a native or non-native student of speaker of English, sign up. I already have an account, so it's going to bring me to login. And when you log in, it's going to bring you to the web version. Grammarly has two versions that we're going to be using, both the web version and an app that we're going to use for Chrome. So we're going to go ahead and add that extension. I've already added it. We're going to talk about that in a bit as well. So on your Grammarly, I'm going to show you how you can quickly check some of your writing. So let's pretend we have a short writing task here, and the writing prompt for today is buying a new car. So I've written a paragraph here. I have my notes. I'm going to be marked by the teacher on my topic, but we're going to specifically look at how we can check some of these conventions. So first things first, you actually write your paragraph as if you would. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to open a new document. Call it short writing. Now go ahead and paste that in. So it's going to check over your document and find any of the mistakes that you've made. And you can tell that there's a lot more highlighted than just using Google Docs. It caught 2 errors, but Grammarly was able to catch several more. So we can go through your document, and when you find something that's wrong, you can click on it, and it's going to show you. So I put it. It appears that the possession pronoun it should be a contraction instead. Consider changing it. So when you want to make your change, I can just click on it, and it'll automatically edit your document. Okay, so let's take another one. Seems to be missing a determinator before. Consider adding an article. So taking it to the mechanic or a mechanic. I think in this instance I'm going to use a mechanic. And it looks like I misspelled every time. So change that. So you can go through and highlight some of your rules, and it'll tell you what mistake you made so you can maybe limit it in the future when you're writing the actual test. So once you're ready and you've fixed your test, you can paste it back in before you submit. That is the web version of Grammarly. And it's going to save all of the tasks that you do, so you can keep them there and you can check back to them. You can also upload an entire file. And then, like I said, we're going to add it to Chrome. So go ahead and add the extension. I'm going to show you some of the things that that extension can do. So we're just going ahead and adding that extension, and that's going to pop up in your browser or your extension bar up here. So it has been added. So when you want to use that extension, it's not going to work on all of your documents. For example, it's going to refresh here. In Google Docs, you'll see that there's a little error sign there because Grammarly is not supported currently for Google Drive or Docs. However, it is supported on other tools that you might be using, like email. So I'm going to compose a message here. And we're just going to take that same writing task. New email. Hi. You can see the little Grammarly bar down here working, and it's going to scan your document, and it's going to find all of the same errors. And it works kind of the same, and you can add comma or you can ignore it. So when you're writing your email, and this works in a few different tools. This is going to work in Facebook, it's going to work in LinkedIn, it's going to work in a variety of different places. But if you did want to turn it off, you can just come up here and turn it off, or you can uninstall if you don't want it there. So there's 2 versions to use it. This is the Chrome extension, this is the web app, and those 2 tools are going to help you with your OSSLT this year. So good luck, use them, and have fun writing the test.